It's ruined. What do I expect from ThyssenKrupp? Did I expect them to do a good job? Oh my god. Why? They've completely ruined this. At least it's a nice looking cab, but it doesn't look anything like the old one. It's a heritage listed building. Seriously. Still, the mechanics, the doors are replaced as well. What a piece of crap. Oh my god, what is... Oh my god, thank god they kept pre-doors. This is a dark floor. Can't see anything. Here's an old one getting replaced. Oh, they kept the old door. Surprisingly. Look at that, they replaced it on every floor. How depressing is that? New door mechanics. New everything. Where's the old one parked? It's down there. This is into the motor. At least, hopefully the motor's at least somewhat interesting. Yeah, the motor's been replaced as well. At least it clunks. Makes it somewhat interesting. Here's a modern lift. Right there. Yep, new two houses in every floor. Lift currently undergoing refurbishment. That is ridiculously loud. Mezzanine, there's no voice. Can I have you? Nice enough cab, I guess. Old Otis door tracks. I think actually that door track looks kind of replaced, but I can't tell very well. Have they kept the buttons in any of the floors? Nope, they have not. What the pressing mod? Let's get the chime. Give it a sharp. They turned the sharp lights off, which sucks. They've replaced everything about the door equipment. I wonder what company they use for the door equipment. Hopefully a good door. Hopefully it's not Fomata. It doesn't look like Fomata though. Hopefully it's somatic. Be at least somewhat good. Try call cancel. Free? Call cancel 6 and click free. Wow, it works. That's the only thing that was added that's actually good to this lift. They didn't use GS key switches. And the panel used to be here. They've relocated the panel. The logic. Look, actually has pre-doors at least still. So this isn't actually a mod, it's a complete replacement. It's a complete replacement. So that looks into the motor. Can't really hear it actually. Can't hear it. There's the old one. Getting ripped out. That door open? No. So sad. They've kept the old locks at least. It even flickers the lantern. It's got a cab here. Okay. Let's have a look. Is the basement unlocked? No. One. There's the access reader. It's actually kind of like a Schindler mod. There's no ThyssenKrupp plate anywhere. Imagine if they switch back to Otis right after they modernise it. That would be ridiculously stupid. Like, ridiculously stupid. Here's floor 1, and we have a good look at the door equipment. Can't see what brand it is though. It looks like somatic kind of. Attention, this is the first floor. Imagine if it already had door disease. That is hilarious. Get the chime going down. Actually, we got one more time. Actually, go ahead and have a look at the indicator on the ground floor. It looks like going moving. That call cancel? Not logic this has. Definitely replaced. At least ThyssenKrupp actually uses slightly good logic, which is actually pretty good. Okay, it's going up. Let's have a look what it does. Stupid door keeps opening, it's annoying. So sad. Here's the old one. It's switched off. Stop opening, dumb door. Look at that. They couldn't even try keeping this. So here's the other panel. This pretty much isn't a mod, it's pretty much a complete replacement. We are open. Hall lights are not working due to plan maintenance. Oh, that's why the lights went on. I was like, why is it off? Straight. Call cancel 5. Works. Of course it does. So you're going to see where the medical is out. No, it's too dark. I don't know what door equipment this is. Doesn't say anywhere though. Let's scan the QR code. I'll scan it later. Two-housed, of course. Still sounds crap. Underground. This, the only thing they need to do is put a metal-looking panel, and nothing else looks old. Oops, sorry.